What's up, people? In today's video, we are going to learn Python. Like, this is going to be a long-fledged playlist where we would be starting off with Python's basics, and then we would be getting into more core advanced stuffs with AI and Python. Starting off with the very first day, I think you guys are already accustomed with a Python installation. If not, let me show you. Not a bit of an issue. Go to python.org, get here and download the latest version. That would be suitable for your case. And it is very basic to download and install Python. Just next. Whatever is the step for downloading any game is Python is even easier to download. Then you can go over and head over and download Visual Studio Code. That is the most commonly used code editor. I would be using Try. That is an AI based some code editor. I personally like it because it's free, but I would recommend you use the VS Code only for the learning process. When you would be building projects, we would surely use the AI based projects code editor. Starting off with creating a file. Now, creating a file in Python is not like you need to have some specific terms only, like main dot, when you are working on Java, you need to have specific names for the files, for the index files. But that is not the case for Python. You can create any name, literally any name for your file. Let me head over with main.py. Like, you could use some other name as well, like index.py, or probably whatever your name is, whatever you want. Python.py would even work. But I won't recommend. These modules and things conflict a little bit in deeper concepts. I would say you go ahead with name.py. That would be suitable for every case and would be conflicting in your code files or anywhere in the project. Starting off, then the basic command, that the first command we start with is the print command. That is print, then a bracket, single bracket, first bracket that we say, and then double quotes. Then you go ahead and type whatever string you want to show on the terminal, like hello world. This is the convention. This is the way we write on upon learning any project. You just save this file, click on this icon, run Python file. This would be showing you the exact sentence that you have written over here. This need not to be a sentence. This could be a letter even. That would work as it is. Now, coming into the core concept, what has just happened is when you are writing print and then a bracket, that means that whatever is being written inside the bracket, you show that on the terminal. You're saying Python, hey Python, listen to my words. I am writing you print the whatever is within the parentheses. These brackets are called parentheses. Whatever is in the parentheses, you jot that down on the terminal. Python does that exactly. When you are writing something in double quotation, means you are writing a single letter or a character or even a sentence, or it could be even a paragraph. Now you could add numbers, but numbers would be strings in this case. You would get to know this later. If you add the numbers as it is, then without the double quotation marks, you could put the numbers. You see? Now, with your naked visual eye, you won't be able to differentiate between the 12 and the 34 because these are some kind of concepts that you are going to get later. Let us sum up at this stage only for the first video. Let me not overwhelm you. You get accustomed with it, hit around with some commands, get to the internet, explore the stuffs. In the next video, we are going to get forward with the variables part of Python. That's it for today's video. I'll meet you at the next video.